You will know how deep and which way you should plant the seeds and why sometimes seeds do not germinate. When to plant the seeds. Sow the seeds indoors 6 weeks before the last expected frost in cool climates. At other places, sow the seeds in spring. The seeds may be white or half white and half black. The question is which way the seeds should be planted in soil, black part or white part. Actually, there is no top or bottom end of marigold seeds. Place the seeds on the soil horizontally. Take a small pot and fill it with free draining soil. Sprinkle seeds on the surface of soil. Cover seeds with a thin layer of soil so that the seeds are about 5 mm deep. Water the soil. Place the pot at a warm location in bright shade or in morning sun. Temperature around 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. Keep soil moist but never wet or dry. Germination normally takes in 5 to 10 days. Transplant the seedling when they grow to 2 inch or more. Why marigold seeds fail to germinate? The reason is incorrect watering, wrong temperature or low light. Too much or too little water is the most likely reason for seeds not germinating. If temperature is too low or too high, the seeds will not germinate. The ideal temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius. The seeds also need light, so do not sow seeds too deep in soil. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.